Hi everyone. Today we will learn to build a simple flow in which we'll update fields on an object when a record from another object is created or updated. So in this case, uh, I have an account and I want to update these three fields: regional employees, their data source, and last updated date. When a record is created or updated from my another object, that is company visit. So to start with that, let's go to first flows, go on setup, then on home tab, and then look for the flows. When you go to flows, on right top corner you will see new flow. So here I want to create from scratch, so I'll select scratch and then record trigger flow. So the first thing is you need to select the object that will be triggering your flow. In this case, this is company visit, and when a company visit record is created or updated, this flow should trigger, or I can say the fields on the account should be updated. Now let's set the criteria. I want this criteria when the number of employees have some value, means it's not null, then every time a record is updated and meets the condition requirement, that time my flow should trigger yes. After that, let's go straight to update the account fields. So you can update records, give it some name, update regional employees, yes. And to find that particular account record, I want to specify some conditions and then set the value. So here the record I want to update is from accounts, yes. And how to find that? ID of that account should be equal to account ID on my trigger records. It means company visit, yes. The next step is now I need to set the values. So I want to update my regional employees with the value from company visit employee. So yes, so the first field is done. Then second was let me see, second field I wanted to update was source, employee source, and last updated date. So I need to set source, employee data source, and I want to give it direct company visit. Next will be date, the date at which this field is updated. So most precisely updated date, employee last updated date, and here I want to keep this date, the date at which the record is created or updated. So for that I should create a resource and its type should be formula. You can give it a name, date of record update. And its type, you can choose either date or date and time, and just select the function trigger. So it will give you the date at which record is updated or created, and done. With this, our flow is created. So we can save this flow. Let me give update account regional employees per company visit. You can add more description so that it's easy to get to know how the flow is functioning. Now let's save it. And now let's test it. So I'm going to activate it. And to test this, let's do the first test where we'll create a company visit record. Just before starting this, let's have a quick look at the fields we are going to update. So you can see the regional employees are 2200. So let's quickly create a record, micro test, fill out all the mandatory fields that your page has, and I'll directly go to now from 22 to I'm making it 10,000, and Okay, and thousands, and I'm gonna save it. And let me go quickly to account to check this. Oh yeah, so you can see earlier it was 2200 and now it's 1000. Direct company visit and date. Now if we update this record, so this time I'm gonna make it from 1000 to 8000s. Okay, and save it. Go to the account, again cross verify it, and you can see it is 8000s. So that's how you can update the fields on another object. Hope this will help you. Have a good day.